Hey there, welcome to Filestack. My name is Rodrigo, and today we're going to talk about the store params you can use when you upload a file using Python and the Filestack package. So let's dive in. For this, I have already created a Python file named storeparams.py. And well, we are going to import our client and we are going to initialize it with our Filestack API. And now let's start defining our store params. And the first one that I want to show you is the location one. Here you can specify in which cloud service you actually want to store your file. Remember that you have to sign your store first. Remember that you have to configure your cloud service first. You can configure Amazon S3, your own bucket, Dropbox, Azure, Clouds, Google Cloud, and Rackspace. In this case, I have already configured my own S3 bucket, and well, here's it. And well, I actually want to store my files into my S3 own bucket. Then we're going to define the container. Here you can define in which container, in which bucket or container you want to actually store your files. For example, I want to store my file into this container. So I'm going to copy it and paste it here. And you can also define the path. The path is the folder in which the file will be stored. For example, let's say Python SDK folder, just for example. If the folder doesn't exist, don't worry, it will be created once you upload the file. And finally, we are going to upload this using these store params. Now let's run this. And now, if we check into our own S3 bucket, we are going to find this new folder. Here is it, Python SDK folder, and here we are going to find our file. Here you can also define the region of the bucket. In this case, this is the region where my bucket is actually located. And you can also define the access of the file. You can define it as public or as a private file. But well, your bucket must be public or private as well. In my case, my bucket is private, so I will define this. Additionally, you can specify the name of the file, and you can even change the extension of the file. And you can also modify the MIME type of the file. And well, this is really used to set the content when the file is downloaded or viewed. And you can also decode your file from base64 if you need, just setting this on true or false. And well, additionally, you can configure your workflows here. Workflows are essentially graphical algorithms that will help you to actually automate some complicated tasks. For example, you maybe want to upload a photo and you want to check if this photo is safe for work or a video, or you want to resize your images or convert files, etc. For example, in this case, I have these workflows. And here, I'm going to use this one, the virus detection workflow. Here you can find that this is actually a really simple workflow. I'm just checking if my file is virus infected and then remove it in case it is. And well, you just need to copy the ID of this workflow with this button. And then you just need to add the workflow param. And here, you can add an array of workflows if you want to execute more than one. Okay, now I'm going to run this code, and that's it. Once a workflow has been already executed, they will send all the information to a webhook. A webhook is just an endpoint that will receive all the information of that task. In this case, I have defined a simple webhook here using an example endpoint. And here is it. We can see here that we have already a response. In here, we are going to find all the information about the tasks that were executed. For example, here we can see the data from the virus detection task. And finally, the upload tags param. This essentially is a dictionary that provides custom tags for the uploaded file. You can add any number of key value tags as per your needs. For example, maybe one user from your application want to actually upload a profile picture or something, and you want to actually tag this picture with the user ID, for example. I will add, for example, the user ID, and for key 2, maybe some username. And well, that's it. Now I'm going to run my code again, and that's it. And now I will be able to see this information into my webhook. And here it is. Here I can find all the information that I sent. And well, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.